microchipping your pets in 2024 is crucial for their safety. Each year, millions of pets go missing, but microchipped animals have a 70% chance of being reunited with their owners. Unlike collars, microchips provide a permanent identification method. There are various microchip types available, including standard, high-frequency, and biodegradable options. When choosing a vet for microchipping, seek recommendations and read online reviews. Prices range from £30 to £50, so compare services to find the best deal. The microchipping process is simple. A vet uses a small needle to implant the microchip under your pet's skin, usually between the shoulder blades. After insertion, the chip is scanned to ensure it works, and your pet's information is registered. Registering your pet's microchip is essential. Without it, the chip is useless. Keep your contact information current, especially after moving. You can register online or offline, but online is faster. Always include a secondary contact for emergencies. Regular vet checkups ensure your pet's microchip is functioning. In emergencies, know where microchip scanners are located, such as veterinary offices and animal shelters. This knowledge can expedite the process if your pet goes missing.